Welcome to my channel. Y'all, this is not the video I wanted to make today, but I feel like it's so important I need to make it. I want to tell you about a YouTube scam that's going around that YouTube itself can't even stop. It has grown so big. It's affected one of my channels. And YouTube itself can't even do anything about it. About a month or so ago, I started a traditional country music YouTube channel. And my videos was getting 30, 40, well, not even that. They was really getting about 20 or 30 views each. You know, the traditional old country music, the young people don't really care for that today. So it's the older people. That's the reason it wasn't getting many views. I did get a comment on every video though, and it was the same thing. Let's be friends. Want to be friends on that line, you know. I never commented back until this one day. I did comment back because I went to check them out to see who they were, and it was a gaming channel. I knew that the person on the other end did not care for this kind of music, so I knew something was up. So I wrote him and I told him I don't think we have anything in common, so please do not comment on my channel again. Well, the very next day I made a video. It was a talking head video like this, but it was country music related. It was about the night that I made Hank Williams Jr. cry when I was a kid. That video shot up like overnight, over 500 views. Then when that stopped, the channel was dead. I was getting no more views at all. I've posted a couple of videos since then. No views at all. They killed my channel. Y'all, if you comment back to these people that says you want to be friends, you've already messed up your channel. If you comment back and tell them not to contact you, you've messed up your channel. Just act like you don't see it there. Just forget about it. Don't comment back at all. And do not be friends with them. You will lose your channel. Now, I still have that channel, but it's dead. I can't do nothing with it. I post videos there and I get no views at all. They killed it. They put those fake views on that video and that channel is dead. So if you get a comment, let's be friends, do you want to be friends, just don't respond to it, because once you respond to it, it's too late. They got you. Y'all, this is a serious thing. It's already cost thousands of people their YouTube channels. And like I said, I still got my channel, but it's dead. So y'all do not comment on those. And please share this video out. Other people need to see this to save their channel. On this channel here, I'm getting those on every video. I do not comment back to them. Y'all, I hope this helps you, because you could lose your channel over this. Please share this out so everybody else can be aware of this scam. I love you all. Till the next video. Ciao.